To make a video in PowerPoint, follow these steps. Step number 1. Open PowerPoint. Launch Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Step number 2. Create a new presentation or open an existing one. You can start with a blank presentation or open an existing PowerPoint file. Number 3. Insert slides. Create the slides for your video by adding content such as text, images, and shapes. Each slide will represent a frame in your video. Number 4. Arrange the slides. Rearrange the order of your slides to ensure they flow smoothly in your video. You can drag and drop slides to reorder them. Number 5. Set slide timings. This is optional. If you want each slide to display for a specific duration, you can set slide timings. Go to the Transitions tab, check the After checkbox in the Timing section, and enter the desired time in seconds. Number 6. Add animations and transitions. This is also optional. To add more visual effect to your video, you can apply animations and transition to your slides. Go to the Animations tab to access various animation options. Transition can be found on the Transitions tab. Number 7. Record narration. If you want to include voiceover narration in your video, you can record it directly within PowerPoint. Go to the Slideshow tab and click on the Record Slideshow button. Follow the prompts to record your narration for each slide. Number 8. Review your presentation. Play through your presentation to ensure everything looks and works as intended. Make any necessary adjustments. Number 9. Save your presentation. Save your PowerPoint presentation. Number 10. Export as a video. To convert your PowerPoint presentation into a video file, go to the File tab, then click on Export or Save As. Choose the video format you prefer, such as MP4 or WMV, and select the desired resolution and quality settings. Number 11. Specify the video duration. In some versions of PowerPoint, you can set a specific duration for the video. If this option is available, enter the desired duration for the video. Number 12. Click Save or Export. Choose a location on your computer to save the video file and click Save or Export to start the conversion process. Number 13. Wait for the video export to complete. The time required to export the video will depend on the length and complexity of your presentation. Once the export is finished, you will have a video file that you can share or upload the platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or social media.